Hello trader. Looking at lower time frame on XAUUSD, we can expect significant trading opportunity as we can see the market forming series of higher low in this 1 hour chart. So before we look at what kind of opportunity we may have, first let's review the higher time frame looking at monthly chart to see overall picture in the market. So looking at the monthly, we can see that from the monthly perspective, this is the monthly open after this previous monthly doji formation. We can see once the market opened initially had a bounce as it is a long-term bull market here. So you can see that this is a bull market starting from here, a strong impulse followed by this correction, and we can see another impulse correction. It may try to create another impulse to the upside, so bias to the upside, and at the same time we see there's a long week creation from the monthly, expecting for the price to go ahead and fill that long week. Now dropping down to the weekly chart, we can see that from the weekly, as expected in our weekly forex forecast as well, we can see the market from this support level. We have seen that there was a strong liquidity grab maintaining series of higher low from the weekly. There is a strong bounce with this weekly candle formation, which is in the beginning of the week still. So what I think that the price might try to go ahead, may try to fill some of this long week, and as this is so far weekly high, what I think the lower time frame price action might try to push that weekly high further. It might try to go back to the monthly resistance, or we may see break of this high and then coming back again for a deeper pullback to the weekly support level here. So the price might lower time frame could remain still bullish. So if we look at the daily chart to see a little clearer picture, we can see that from the daily there was a daily rejection here as expected. We have seen that there is a daily impulse to the resistance line followed by deeper pullback, form a daily doji. Now this daily doji is a strong buying pressure that might lead this current daily candle to try to break this daily high. And what I think that today, if we see deeper pullback here, we might see bullish opportunity. And I think the price may try to break this daily high to create a new higher high, either to the weekly resistance or monthly resistance that we can expect on the lower time frame. So looking at the 1 hour chart, we can see that the market in this lower time frame maintaining series of higher low, and at the same time there was a multiple liquidity grab. This doji we have seen that has broken that support completely, formed this doji, which is a very strong rejection followed by this pullback here, and we have seen 1 hour bullish engulfer. Now this bullish engulfer has crossed quite a few sessions low, grabbing liquidity from that bullish engulfer. And what we can see here is a doji formation from the 1 hour chart. What we can expect on the lower time frame for this price to drop further, grab liquidity, and then to trend to the upside to create a new higher high. So looking at 15 minutes perspective for potential entry, we can see that there is an inverted head and shoulder formation, which is a strong liquidity grab, has given the price new momentum for this uptrend, and we have seen it is maintaining a typical uptrending market structure. So lower time frame price action, I will be waiting for potential pullback here. So if we see that lower time frame deeper pullback, we can look for potential entry opportunity. As soon as we will find suitable entry for this potential bullish move to the upside, can look for going long with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.